My video guide will help you to remove the adware called HyperTextInternet. HyperTextInternet is the adware that belongs to the adload family. This particular adware, once installed, starts to show a lot of intrusive ads not related to the sites that you visit. HyperTextInternet also may slow down the system performance considerably. So if you have found its presence on the computer, you need to get rid of it. So right click on it and to move it to the trash. Finally, I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner that can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software using this green download button, install it, and start researching the computer to detect and remove other threats from your device. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.